truck racing season starts now in Nogaro. You can see behind me, we are in the place where we have to be. You know, Nogaro is a little bit our second home. It's the base of the truck racing academy from BUGGYRA, but it's also the place where we test today with Adam and Theo. The championship will start soon. We have to work. We test many new different things, and it's good to be in the south because the weather is there and we have the condition like in racing. But not only, because today it's also the third session of the academy, you know, this new school for young driver for truck racing, the only place in the world where you can find that. And we are very happy because we have today 3 kids. Rafael Souza, which is promise a lot, you know, on the next season, but also 2 very young guns, because 15 years old, they are twin. Maybe it remember you something. And Martial, the son of Martial Defay, it's Florian and Nathan, and you will see I'm very optimistic with those guys.
Tak máme za sebou první letošní testování. Měli jsme velké přípravy, těšili jsme se na to. Předtím jsme byli zkoušet něco na letišti, jestli to vůbec k něčemu bylo, to, co jsme vyvinuli a chtěli vyzkoušet, a už na letišti jsem hlásal do vysílačky Robinovi, že to vypadá, že to je na dobré cestě, a těšili jsme se sem do Nogara. Najednou to je o vteřinu rychlejší, což během zimy najít vteřinu si myslím, že je perfektní, a máme se na co těšit, protože máme ještě další testování před sebou, hlavně na Nürburgringu, kde bývá velký problém se dostat. Máme tu šanci 2 dny tam testovat, takže se na to těším.
I had 2 jobs, my personal job to improve myself as a driver, and also to teach to the new generation, because they are only 15 years old, and other guys to the academy. I think we can be happy about the work today. All the guys did an amazing job. I'm really happy about the progress, and yeah, I hope they will be good competitors in the French Championship, and I think it's a good start.
The biggest changes, or the biggest things which we are changing, it's a new discs, new brake disc which we want to use for the whole season. And we also made a big steps on the suspension and on the front axle, where we had some troubles last year. So this is what we was testing the whole day in Nogaro. The brakes and also the suspension and the axle was working better, and the improvement, it's nicely visible.